Hello friends, have a nice time and enjoy yourself by taking this test. It will give you confidence and also A+. Start. Either say you can use A and the as you please. Here it is. Is there way out? What will you insert here? A, and, or the? Is there a way out? Isn't it? Is there a way out? Next one, what is way out? So when you say what is way out, there is something specific. Isn't it? Suggestion is that there is something specific. So you have to say what is the way out? What is the way out? Listen. University is a place of research. A and or the. A. Because it is U, not U. A university. It is a consonant sound. Here stands one-eyed man. Wa. Not O, one-eyed. We don't say one-eyed, but we say one-eyed. So there is consonant sound, therefore A one-eyed. Have you ever gone to the Himalayas? Have you ever gone to the Himalayas? Right sentence. Because this is mountain ranges, you have to use the definite article. So in this case, the sentence is right. Right sentence. Everest is highest peak in the world. Here you have got a clue. This is superlative. So before a superlative, you have to use the. Everest is the highest peak. Many people have conquered Everest. Right or wrong? Right. Why? Because before single peak, we don't use the. So the sentence is correct. Everest is single. In the Himalayas, it is ranges. So the sentence is correct. Wayanad Express is a very fast train. Wayanad Express. Train, ships, you have to use the. Names of ships. So the. You have to use the. Many people have conquered Everest. That we have done, I think. Sorry. Here, seventh one. Many people have said that we have already done it. Is correct. The Wayanad. He is interested in chess. No problem. Why? Because with names of games we don't use articles. So here it is chess. What time is breakfast served here? What time is breakfast? Names of meals we don't use if it is general sense. So question is a general sense. What time is breakfast served? Not any particular breakfast. Not a breakfast sponsored by somebody. So no article is required. No article. So sentence is correct. The president has invited us for dinner at the Grand Hotel. So here names of meals, but you have to use the why because it is a specific name. The president's dinner. So you have to say the president has invited us, of course, this is my mistake, I did not write it, for the dinner at the Grand. Now what pity? It's a special idiomatic use of what a pity. What a pity. So you have to say here. What a pity. Get me onion, please. O is vowel sound. And so you have to say an onion, please. Iron we imported is soft. Iron, that is name of a substance, but it is specific. What? Not any iron, but the imported iron. So you have to say the iron. But when you say iron is hard metal. General statement. So, iron is a hard metal. Iron is a hard metal. Here it is general, but here it is specific. So, all the 15. All the 15 you got, that is A plus. 1 or 2, you lost, that is A. And according to that you can grade B, B plus, B and so on. So I think that all of you have got it. Once again I will go through this. Is there a way out? Correct. What is the way out? Correct. Because here it is specific, here it is general. A university, consonant sound. So A one night, consonant sound. Have you ever gone to the Himalayas, mountain ranges? Everest is the highest superlative degree. Many people have conquered Everest, single peak. The Wynand Express, name of train. Interested in chess, name of game. What time is breakfast? General use of name. The president, special, specific. Now what a pity, correct? Because there is a special use. What a pity, a headache, a pity, etc. We have already seen that when we were discussing that. Get me and, because it is onion. The iron here, name of substance, but special use, specific use. Here iron has, we don't use with this. No article here because name of substance in general use. Iron is a hard metal. General statement. So friends, I think you have got 15 out of 15. So that is A plus. Okay, is that clear to you? Yes. So we'll have 2 more tests before we leave this section. I have completed discussion of, we together have completed discussion of definite articles A and also definite article the. A near native proficiency or even native proficiency itself you can aim at, and if you achieve a near native proficiency in the use of articles, that is a great, it is a grand achievement, no doubt about that, because here is an area where many people come, make mistakes and there are doubts and so on. So here you have 2 more tests to see that you have learned these things, or you can test yourself. See, we can also try to make, say, right test frames for yourself and then try to answer this and get the help of some of the textbooks on grammar and those exercises. Try to do those exercises or get in touch with internet. So internet also provides a number of exercises, different angles. So if you do that, so 10 days you spend on this, then you become a master of the use of articles in English, which is a very important area in English grammar. So hope that you are enjoying. So till we meet again, bye, have a nice time. You have 2 more tests or 15 test frames each. So this is 28, 29, 30. So that is, I call it lecture because the series is called lecture now. Otherwise, if I say testing, sometimes when you try to get in touch with this, you may not get it. That's why I am using the word lecture here also. And I am also talking to you now. Okay, is that alright? Bye.